Welcome to Tiffany's, the place for you to be visually inspired to create a beautiful space. In this video, I am actually just going to keep it really simple for my living room fall decor and just give you guys a quick tour of the subtle changes that I made in this room. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, hit the like button, comment below, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. So I decided to freshen up my couch and go ahead and just take off the pillowcases and wash them and the blankets and all that good stuff, just to have a new fresh start for the fall. I love these Home Good pillows. As you can see, they come off very easily. So I just tossed them in a washer and just placed them on the gentle cycle. So I am really happy with the way these small changes in my living room have just transformed this entire space. I absolutely love it. And as you can see, I still need a coffee table. I think I've narrowed it down to 2. I think I said this before, but I have yet to get one. So it's kind of been hard to shop online. Anyways, I will update you guys in a future video. But I am loving how this beautiful blanket ladder looks. Oh my goodness, I could not wait to see how it turned out, and I'm so happy with it. I created this floor arrangement here, and I just love the way it just brightens up the fireplace. Have to have the buffalo checker in here some kind of way. It just says fall to me. It's so thick and cozy. I had to have this blanket. So this is one of my favorite pieces. This is the table runner, you guys. Don't be afraid to put a good table runner on your couch. Look at how beautiful this looks. If you saw my fall dining room table decor video, you will see the reason why I chose to place this on my couch versus my table. I'll link that video below, also up here in the iCard. I love how this pumpkin pillow looks. I had to fluff it on the side, you guys. I want to make it look nice and juicy. Loving how this mirror just transforms this wall. So tell me if you guys prefer a chair in this area or just leaving it an empty space right here. I feel like it needs something, whether it's a chair or I don't know, a tree, something, but I have the tree up top, so I don't know if that would be doing too much, and the floor arrangement. So let me know what you guys think. Chair or no chair? So if you are in love with this look as much as I am, give me a like for that. I would appreciate it. Comment below your favorite piece. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.